We are making chicken biryani.
Take fresh chicken, put salt. For 1 kg chicken, 1.5 teaspoon salt is required. So just take accordingly. And this is mirchi. You just take little. We eat a lot, so we are putting 2 spoons of it, 2 cubes. Put some masala powder. Mix a ginger garlic paste as required. So for 1 kg chicken, you can just take 2 tablespoons. We had put, we are taking a little more chicken, so it requires, Add 5 tablespoons curd as well. Take 4 tomatoes and blend them, and you have to mix it. And mix in the chicken. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. And just marinate it for 1 hour. I had put some lime juice as well, so just take little quantity, like 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Heat oil and fry onion. 1 onion is enough. You have to slice it along, so that you'll get nice pieces when you fry them. You have to fry them until they are brownish color, and you can just take them out, put in a separate bowl. This is cooker biryani. Put 4 tablespoons of oil. You have to take spices, pepper, cardamom, cloves and elaichi. Heat oil in a cooker, and then you have to put these whole spices. You can just add more spices if you have. As of now, I have only these spices, so I'm just adding them. And they have to fry in this way. Turmeric as well before itself, I forgot actually, so I'm just mixing now. Add chicken to the fried oil. Add 1 onion sliced and just boil it until water comes out. You have to cook it until water comes out. You have to take rice, soak it. For 1 person, easily 1 cup of rice they'll eat. So you can just take 3 to 4 cups of rice and soak it. For 1 kg chicken, you will require that. If you are taking little quantity, then little quantity of chicken is needed. So accordingly, you just take it. Take the soaked rice and cook it up to 70%. Not full, 70% it should be cooked. Add bay leaf and 2 tablespoons of oil while cooking the rice. If you want, you can add more spices, like same spices as if we added in the chicken. You just have to add here as well. Cloves, elaichi and other stuff. It's cooked half. Put in the rice cooker right now. Add in the cooked chicken. While cooking rice, you have to add, little salt according to the quantity. Like for 1 cup rice, half tablespoon. Now, cook the rice and chicken in the cooker. First 10 minutes, you have to put it high flame, and then after that, low flame for 20 minutes. Then it will be done. I can smell it. The biryani is very nice. This is for you and this is for us. Cooking time after 30 minutes. I have removed the lid and garnished with onions and mint leaves, coriander leaves, and you can just put any other leaves. Now, if you see, the biryani is cooked well. Piece. So like this, which is cooked well. It's ready to taste.